Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators. In our previous video, we had learned about transistor, its types, and built few circuits with transistor on Tinkercad. Today, we will learn about sensors. A sensor is a type of device that detects or senses a signal. Most sensors are electrical or electronic, although other types exist. Since a signal is in the form of energy, sensors can be classified according to the type of energy they detect. Sensing is all about measuring quantities and interpreting these measurements. The human body is a continual source of inspiration for engineers who design sensors, including electronic robotic sensors. A robot's light and ultrasonic sensors are like eyes. Its sound sensors are like ears. Its touch sensors are like skin. Engineer-designed sensors are used in wide variety of applications, everything from automatic lights and door openers to burglar alarms to medical ultrasound technology. Let's look at a type of sensor now. We will look at a tilt sensor. A tilt sensor is a type of sensor which measures the tilt on multiple planes. Sometimes they are referred to as mercury switches, tilt switches, or rolling ball sensors. It is called as mercury switches as they have mercury element that will be moving in the sensor that connects and disconnects the sensor. That is, it detects or does not detect the movement in various applications. Let's build a circuit using the tilt sensor or a tilt switch and how they work on Tinkercad. The circuit diagram is as shown. For the circuit, we need a tilt sensor, an LED, a resistor, and a battery. We have two tilt sensors on Tinkercad. Let's take the two terminal sensor first. Let's connect it in the circuit and see it's working. Let's connect the positive terminal of the battery to the tilt sensor. The other terminal of the tilt sensor goes to the LED with a 1 kilo ohm resistor in between. The cathode of the LED goes back to the negative end of the battery. This completes the circuit. When I click on the tilt sensor, I get a slider using which we can express the tilt of the sensor, that is the tilt in the angle when we use a sensor. So, when I move the slider to the other end, the LED glows, making the circuit complete and closed without any barriers. And if I slide it back to the straight position, the LED turns off, making the circuit open. So, with this, we can tell that tilt sensor acts as a switch here in the circuit. If I consider a 4-terminal switch, we have 4 terminals in it, named as Terminal 1, Terminal 2, Terminal 3, Terminal 4. Where Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 are interconnected and Terminal 3 and Terminal 4 are interconnected. So, for the sensor to act as a switch, we need to connect the battery to either Terminal 1 or 2, and the output will be connected to either Terminal 3 or 4. And based on the slider position, the LED will be on or off. We will see all conditions of connecting to the terminals and see the output changes. With this, we understood the working of a tilt sensor in the circuit, how to use it, and based on what the output will be seen. Tilt switch can be used in many applications like a portable computer, vehicular security system, aviation, robotics, etc. A popular advertisement about a portable computer says there is no wrong way or right way to hold the device. This phrase means that the display of that computer aligns itself in the manner user is holding it. Tilt sensors are required to keep the device display in the correct position with the way user holds it. When coming to vehicular security system, several vehicle security alarm sensors are based on tilt sensors. In the case of an unauthorized vehicle towing or moving or steering, tilt sensor engages the alarm. Can you think any other applications where tilt sensor can be used? Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.